Forget the Hollywood image of ruthless killers. Wolf packs operate with a surprisingly complex social structure, more like a family than a gang. Today, we'll uncover the fascinating hierarchy and communication strategies that allow these apex predators to thrive, and you'll be surprised by just how much cooperation is involved. At the heart of every wolf pack is the alpha pair, the breeding male and female. They don't seize power through brute force, instead, they typically inherit their position, often as the parents of the existing alpha pair. This established lineage ensures stability and minimizes conflict within the pack, allowing them to focus on hunting and raising pups. Subordinate wolves respect this authority, contributing to the pack's overall success. Beneath the alphas are various ranks, often loosely defined. Beta wolves act as second-in-command, assisting with hunting and pup rearing. Younger wolves and those lower in the hierarchy often defer to older, more experienced members. Interestingly, dominance isn't always about aggression. It's often demonstrated through subtle body language and ritualized displays of submission. Communication is key to a wolf pack's organization. They use a combination of vocalizations, howls, growls, barks, scent marking, and body language to convey information. Howling isn't just for eerie ambience, it's used to locate pack members, defend territory, and even coordinate hunts. And here's a surprising fact: wolves can recognize individual voices within a howl, allowing them to identify specific pack members from a distance. We'll explore how scent marking defines territories in our next video. So, what have we learned? Wolf packs aren't simply about dominance, they're about family, cooperation, and sophisticated communication. This intricate social structure allows them to hunt effectively, defend their territory, and raise their young, making them one of nature's most successful predators. If you found this glimpse into the world of wolf packs fascinating, give this video a like and let us know in the comments what other animal social structures you'd like to learn about. Don't forget to subscribe for more wildlife insights.